Hello everyone. Today we are learning a DSA problem of finding minimum and maximum of three numbers, which is in Java programming language. Okay. Import java.util.star. So we are importing this util package. Okay. Then hello world is the class name. Then we are using main function. In that main function, system.out.println. Using this println function, I am printing this statement. Enter the three numbers into the console. So when you run the program, the first statement you will see in the console is this one. Enter the three numbers. Okay. After this, after that, scanner sc equal to new scanner of system.in. Okay. Scanner is a predefined class which is in the util package. We are using that predefined class for scanning the elements from the console. Okay. We are creating a sc name object for the scanner class. Okay, next what you are doing, sc dot next int. So why next int came, because um, we are telling to the program that please scan the integer value from the console. That is the reason I am calling the next int function. If you want to scan the double value from the console, then you need to write like this: sc dot next double, sc dot next double. If you want to scan the double value from the console, as I want integer value only, I am writing like this: sc dot next int. So that value will goes to this a variable. Like that, I have taken three values from the console. Then what I am doing here? First, I will come from backwards. Okay. So this one, math dot max. So math is a predefined class which is in the util package. Okay. Max is the function of this math class. So we are calling the max function by passing the two parameters b and c. And what is the return value for this max function is that it will return the value which is the highest among the two. So I am giving b and c as input. So what the max function will do to me is that it will return the value which is higher. So let's go to the logic. First I am calling math.max. Okay, let's write the statement first, then you will understand what it is. Okay, so this is the statement, guys. So what I'm doing, uh, so first inner function will call, okay, not outer function. First inner function will call. So first math.max of b comma c will call. Okay, then what will happen? It will return which is the highest value. Okay, if I gave 1 2 3 like this above, then assume this is b, not assume that is b only, and down is c, right? So math dot max of 2 comma 3. Okay, so I will get return value as 3. So it is telling me, okay, you gave me two values, right? Upon two values, 3 is the highest one. I am giving that value to you. So what will happen now? Now math dot max of a comma 3, this will be there. So what is the a value? Math dot max of 1 comma 3. So uh, so it will give me the value of 3 as the output, because 3 is the highest number. So after executing all these statement, what is the output to me? 3. So this 3 value will be printed here. So eventually what this statement will look like, uh, I will wrote here. Okay. So eventually that statement will look like system dot out dot println of maximum plus 3 value. So this is what it will print in the console. After giving the three numbers, immediately it will print like this: maximum 3. So this is my first output line. Okay. So the same will happen in the second statement also. But the difference is, above you are calculating the maximum of the three numbers. This is for max of three numbers. Okay, see how simple it is. We are calculating it and printing in the same line to avoid the code more coding lines. The below was minimum of three numbers. Okay, so what will happen first? Math dot min of b comma c means it will give the minimum value to me. Okay, so it will give math dot min of uh, 2 comma 3 means it will give me 2 value. Okay, then again math dot min of a comma 2, right? So a means what? 1, 2 and 2, right? So it will give the output as 1. So the second line will print this one, minimum, which is 1 value. Okay, so like this program will execute, and this will be the output you will see in the Java console. It will print the enter the three numbers statement, then you will enter the values. It will execute the logic within the println statement itself, and it will return the output like this. Okay, so okay then, thank you, bye.